Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss briefly on how to use Microsoft Word. So this is your Microsoft Word appearance when you open it. This is a program that is used to perform several tasks, especially for those doing writing, academic writings, there's writing of CVs. You majorly rely on Microsoft Word. So I'll be taking you through step-by-step procedure on how to undertake various activities or how to ensure a task is complete using Microsoft Word. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification so that you get my upcoming videos. You're welcome. So first of all, we will start from home. We will be discussing feature by feature on this taskbar. So for instance, let's just type some words here and we shall use them as an example. Okay, first let's just use these two lines. So when you want to highlight all words in your document, one, you can click and highlight using your mouse or touchpad if you are using a laptop. Two, you can use commands. You just Control A, then you will have highlighted that text. So for this one, when you want to change your font, the font of your typings, that's font type, you'll just click there, then you will choose any. Let's for instance use Times New Roman. Then for this one, it's used when you want to change the font size, the size of your font. Let's say for instance, when I say 17, you will find that those words will increase in size. That is 17. Then for this one here, it is for, you can increase manually the size of these words. For instance, when you click this, will be increasing. Then when you click this, will be decreasing the words. Then for this one, when you want to change the case, that's maybe uppercase, lowercase, or toggle the case, you come here, when you click here, you'll see those options. It can be sentence case, means only the first letter in that line will be capital, the starting letter. Grammatical, that's how it's supposed to be. Or you may decide that they all be lowercase, or they all be uppercase, or you capitalize each word, or the top of toggle, you capitalize each word. Then still on this text, you can still bold. This one is bold. You can still bold by clicking this. You see this a bit dark, that's bold. Or you can still Control B. You see I've bold, then you still Control B to bold. Then when you want it to be slanting, you can click here. You click, that is when you want it to be slanting. Then when you want to underline, you can click here and select the underline of your choice, or you can still Control U. You will underline. Then For this one here, for instance, you've written this but you want to cross through, you'll just click here, it will cross through Pasonatty. Then there is something called subscript and superscript. For instance, you want to write 5 square. If you want to write square, you will click that, then you write 2. That will be 5 square. But if you want to write a 2 subscript, you will use 8 subscript, then write 2. You find it will come on the lower side of 5. Then still here, when you highlight this, you want to change the format, the appearance of those words. You just come here, you take several, maybe it's artistic, this is all about artistic, the appearance of your words. You will choose any for appearance of your words, or you may leave it without any, well and good. Then for this one, maybe you want to highlight, let me say I want to highlight this from Kenya. I'll just come here, I have highlighted using yellow. You can highlight using several colors. You have green, you have this one, several colors. Then when you want to change the color of these words or letters, actually, for our case, we may use black, you may use blue. There is the color of the words. Then this one is all about numbering. This one. They all about numbering. You can bullet, you can tick, you can whichever the case. Use when you take that. This is all about numbering. Also this, just numbering your work. Same to this, you still numbering your work. Then for these ones, when you click this, you mean that you want your text to align on the left end. Then when you click this one, them to align at the center. They be at the center. When you click this one, them to align at the end far right. Then when you click this one, them to be blocked. They be square. Then for this one is used for spacing, line spacing. When you click to use line spacing, it is increasing. It's decreasing until 1. So that's for line spacing. Then this one can be used to move this one or the right or left. Then you can still fill the background. Not necessarily that the background is white, but it can be any color that you wish. The background of your writings can be any color you wish. So you have to differentiate between background and highlighting. For background, you can see it will cover the background of your writings. The whole writings will be under that background. But if you want to highlight, you can still highlight within the background. Let's say this one, then highlight with this. So it's highlighted but within the background. You see? So for today we shall stop there. We shall continue to train how to use Microsoft Word to solve our writing needs. So remember to subscribe and turn on the notification to get more videos. Like and share. Thank you.